The Toyota Camry is due for a replacement soon, which coincidentally follows the major redesign of its crosstown rival, the Honda Accord, in 2023. Typically, news of a new Camry would be met with indifference, as midsize sedans are known for being practical but dull. However, the current Camry is an exception, as it has a sporty design and handling. This trend is expected to continue in the next generation Camry, which is due for release in 2024 or 2025. To get an idea of what to expect from the next Camry, it's worth examining the midsize sedan segment as a whole. Sedans and cars in general are losing popularity to trucks and SUV, causing many models to disappear from the marketplace. The sedans that have survived, such as the Hyundai Sonata, Kia K5, Nissan Altima, and Honda Accord, have become more boldly styled and have adopted sportier characteristics to stay competitive. Buyers who still choose to buy sedans instead of SUV or trucks are likely looking for a car-like driving experience that's fun and engaging. This desire is reflected in the styling of these sedans, which are low, wide, and unmistakably not SUV. In this environment, the Camry is expected to become even more adventurous and exciting.